Selling software as a service, or SaaS as it's otherwise known, is a really good way to build up a nice reoccurring ongoing income.
Woo! More money! Ah!
Now you might be thinking that you have to build your own software in order to do this, but that's not actually the case. There's some great software out there that's already built, ready to go, that you can white label and sell yourself without any setup costs. Hi, it's Alex here, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a really cool bit of software. It's for people that sell their time, that sell appointments. And what you can do is you can offer this service to places like hairdressers, barbers, spas, beauty salons, nail bars, anything that sells appointments, and you can earn yourself a nice ongoing income. The software that I'm going to show you is called TimeTailor, and it's a free WordPress plugin, making it particularly good if you're already a web design agency and you're already providing clients with WordPress websites. But don't worry if you're not. This is something that you can start from absolutely nothing. Even though it's a free plugin, the way it makes money is that there's a small booking fee when someone books an appointment, and that booking fee is shared between you and them, 50-50. As the plugin's free, it's really easy to sell. There's no cost to the client. And on top of that, you can earn some additional income by offering other services: web design, integration, help with their marketing, consultancy, whatever you can bring to the table. The amount you can earn is basically limitless. You sign up more clients, more salons, more barbers, more hairdressers, and the income keeps growing. Let's take a look at an example. So say you sign up a chain of beauty salons. They've got 10 salons. They've got about 3 people working in each salon, and the average transaction value is $75. Well, the numbers could look like this. So as you can see, with an average transaction value of $75, with around 100 appointments a month, 10 salons, 3 people in each salon, the revenue is going to be around $225,000 a month. The booking fee is 3.9%, and your commission on that booking fee is going to be 50%, which brings in a nice revenue of $4,388 a month. You can find TimeTailor over at wpeagle.com/TimeTailor. You'll also find links to everything that I talk about in the description of this video. But in a nutshell, TimeTailor is a free WordPress plugin. It syncs with the TimeTailor booking system. Basically, it's a two-way relationship. So if you change something at one end, it changes at the other. Basically built for any kind of business that has appointments. So nail bars, beauty salons, hairdressers, barbers, spas, anything that has appointments, this system is perfect for them. On a very simple level for you, all you have to do is enroll the salons, sign them up, get them on the system, and then you'll start earning your commission. The interface looks a bit like this. It's really easy for you to set up multiple salons from the one account. Of course, you could resell the software if you wanted at your markup, but you don't need to because the core features and the plugin are completely free of charge. And then you earn your 50% on each of the booking fees. Some of the key features are the calendar and appointment manager. It's got a super clean layout, very easy for everyone to see what appointments are booked in. You've got online payments. People can keep their cards on file. It uses Stripe, so people can use credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, whatever they like. You've got automatic reminders, so people are sent an email to notify them of their upcoming appointments. The client can sell gift cards to its customers, so particularly good for spas, for example, or beauty salons. People can buy a gift card and give it to someone that they love. You've got Instagram and Facebook integration, so people can add a nice book now to the top of their Instagram profile or their Facebook page, and people can book directly from there. So the back end is really nice. The front end is great too. You can easily add it to a WordPress website by just adding the plugin and then adding a shortcode where you want to add the Book Now button. Once they click it, it's got a nice clean interface. They select the service and select when they want to come. The booking process looks really nice on mobile. People can just select the service they want and select the date and the time. They can then go through, fill in their details, press continue, and then they can make a payment on the booking system using Stripe. So it's all nice and simple. Apple Pay is supported too, as well as Google Pay, or they can just enter their card details and then they're all done. For me, this looks like a perfect way to get started with SaaS. to earn a bit of extra ongoing income. It's free to get started. It's easy to set up. You don't need any coding or development skills. You can just jump right in. Once you've got your partner account set up, you can quickly and easily enroll salons onto the system. They should be aware that it is cloud dependent. Of course, it does rely on the TimeTailor platform, but that shouldn't be a problem. Another benefit of TimeTailor is that it's a new platform, so that it's got a very small, close community, so you can get support and assistance if you need it. So there we go. Why not give it a go right now? You'll find links in the description. Get yourself signed up as a partner, get the plugin downloaded, and you can get started. You can also book yourself a free onboarding call with TimeTailor using the Calendly link below to help you get started, and they'll be there to answer any more questions that you might have. Do drop me a comment below. Is this something you might be interested in? Maybe you are already at a web agency and this would just complement the services that you're already offering. Maybe you've already built some websites for these kind of businesses and you could quickly go back to them and offer this service. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. That really does help me out. And if you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button and I will see you in the next one.